Hey guys, I'm back with a video, and today I'm showing you some new builds in Glendale, Arizona by Woodside Homes, and they're ranging all the way from the low 600s all the way up to the high 800s. Let's get it. Alright guys, this is part 2 of Village at Thunderbird. Today we'll be taking a look at the Legends models. Now there are 8 floor plans available, and they range from $620,000 all the way up to about $810,000. Now these are all starting numbers, so it could range up to mid 800s, high 800s, just depends on what you want. Now one of the main differences from part 1 to part 2 is that these lots are way bigger. First up, we have the Goldfish model coming in just under $650,000. There's a shower tub combo in the owner suite, split floor plan, and all the cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling, so it gives you more cabinet space. What I also like about Woodside Homes models is that every room just about has a walk-in closet. Gives you guys that extra space to put all your belongings and not have to feel like you're cramped up. Next up, we have the Cardinal model coming in at $678,000. Now, this one has a pet station as well, just like in the previous video. And what I like most is that Woodside Homes has literally given you the option to make your home yours and include your pets in that, because that is your family as well. Now, in most of the models, you can add the pet station, but there are some that you can't, which will be the next home, the Kinglet model. But for now, take a look at the Cardinal model and let me know what you think. There's walk-in closets in every room, and there's quite a lot of space coming in, just under 2,800 square feet. Enjoy. Next up, we have the Kinglet model coming in just over $700,000. Now there is just over 3,300 square feet of living space available. There's a den, bonus room, casita, so much space for you and your big family. Now, what I like most about not just this home, but the others as well, is that there's so many windows involved. So you get a whole bunch of natural sunlight coming in. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite model home is and if you would like to live in this neighborhood.